Shout out to my friend Jackie. Because on 4/27/2020, we did a reading together. And this is what the reading said. Alright, all the places in the world that got archways, the portals are opened. There's portals opened all over the world. Okay? And I'm just going to go down to point 7 real quick because there's a lot. And on point 7, my friend was asking about this COVID shit and all of that. But they was talking about this is a double mission to cover up why all the people have disappeared and no one will question. It says new people coming in through all the places in the world where there's arches. And people leaving out as well. So, yeah, those portals have opened. And these people are now disappearing. And I wrote this 4/27/2020. All right, y'all. Peace and love. It's Spike of the Mother Star.